Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a quick tutorial on how I created this look. I think this is a great look for Valentine's Day. If you have something going on and you just want to look a little extra special, this is a great sort of style for a night out. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so starting with curled hair. I find these hairstyles are always so much easier if you have a little bit of curls in your hair to start, or just a little bit of texture. It always makes a difference. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take a section from the top here. So for the rest of the hair that I have down here, I'm going to start off by doing a braid. Now you need to obviously know how to do a basic braid for this look. So you're going to start off here by taking this part of your hair and just doing a very loose braid. So I have one braid here. So this whole entire side portion here, I've just braided that away and then just left still the front pieces out. So for the rest of my hair, I'm going to do a low pony, sort of like a very soft, low pony with these pieces, leaving still a few pieces here. So I'm just gonna do a low side pony with this, and I'm just going to tie that with an elastic. So you're just gonna have this and this part here tied up. So you still have a few pieces down, and I'm just going to give it a little pull. Now I'm gonna do another braid with this pony. So you literally have one braid on the left and then one braid here. So just do very loose braid. And when you get to the end of your braid, just going to hold the end and you're just gonna give it a little pull just to create a more fatter look to your braid. So we want the braid to be a little bit fat. Just gonna pull on it just to make it a bit bigger, and we're just going to turn that right around like so. And you're gonna use a bobby pin. Just gonna take a bobby pin and we're gonna pin that right underneath there. A couple more pins. Put a little bit of spray. Next, we're gonna take this section that we braided on this side here, and we're gonna do the same thing just by pulling the end of the braid just a bit, just to give it a little bit of extra texture. So it kind of gives that feel of like a messier look. And we're gonna bring that softly, and I'm gonna just pin that right around here. I'm gonna pin that into this part here. Just gonna put that. Next, we're gonna take the top portion that we left out earlier, and we're gonna give it a little brush. I'm gonna just use, you can use your comb. You can tease the top a little bit if you want to get a little extra volume. I'm not going to, because I want to get a very soft look. And I'm holding all of that, and then you're just gonna give it a little spray and kind of push it up a little bit. Put as much spray obviously as you need, and loosely bring it down like so, and do another pony with that piece. So you're just gonna let it sit right at the tip of the back area there. And now for the piece that you have at the end there, you're just going to do a braid with that as well. And you're just gonna hold the end and give it a little pull. And you're just going to place that right over the top of the pony and secure that with a pin, just like so. And then I'm gonna just put a couple of these pieces just inside of there. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!